Hello, friends. I'm sure if you've ever tried to install a Harbour Freight winch, and maybe some other brands of winch, I'm not sure if they use the same method to bolt the winch onto your mount or not. But all Harbour Freight winches that I've ever used, and most of them are 9,000 or 12,000 pound winches, require that you use the little square nuts, and the square nuts are they slide into a little hole in the legs of that winch, and there's no way to make sure that they're going to fit in there just right so that you can, while you're working upside down, put those screws up into those nuts. So I found a way, and I've used this way many times, and it works very well, and I just want to share it with you. Since I've already done mine again today, and I didn't take the camera out and make a video of it, I'm just going to tell you how to do it. It's not hard. It's not hard to figure it out. You just come out of the store and get you some great stuff. And that foaming caulk. That yellow stuff that's so nasty, you never want to use it without gloves on. Because if you do, you'll get it on your fingers and you won't get it off. And it will be very, very nasty. Just spray a little bit of that in each one of those holes before you put the nut in. And then, while you have the winch off the vehicle, turn the screws into those nuts tight and let that gray stuff dry. Then, when that stuff dries, then you can take the screws back out, and the nuts will be in there semi-permanently. You can get them out some other time if you ever have to, but they will be right where you want them to be, so that when you have that thing upside down, you're trying to screw them screws in there, they go right in. It's the best way to do it. I've done it every time. I have to do it that way. I don't see any other way to do it. So there you go. Just take some gray stuff, spray it in there, put your nuts in, and put your screws in it, and let it dry, and then mount your winch. There you go. Comment on the video below there if you will. Thank you.